Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simplifying Surds worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about Surds. Enjoy. And now let's look at the next three verses. Okay, let's move on now and have a look at the worksheet. So here's our worksheet with 10 examples, and we have to simplify each of these examples. If you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will show you how to do all these examples. So I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so, and then I'll move on to the next slide, which contains the answers, so you can see how you went. However, you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, let's move on now and have a look at the answers. And here they are. So you look at those very carefully, and that'll give you a good idea how you went with those examples on the previous slide. I'll leave this on for a short while before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, we'll move on to the next slide now. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by providing a rap song about Surds. I hope you enjoyed the worksheet.